Hi everybody, I've been making a lot of changes lately, so the code for this particular update concerning keeping track of the player's score will be at a specific commit on the repo. So I'll put that link down below. Of course, you can download the code from that link, or you can check out the commit hash directly and start from there. So the updates are concerning the top left of the game. I want to show the player's current score. So let's go up to our game struct at the very top here. I've just added the current score to the struct, a new field there, and we initialize it to 0, of course, and we simply increment this score every time we destroy a drone. So in the demo that you saw, we can we can destroy a drone with our regular laser, or we can do it with the new nukes. That is in another update that's coming up soon, though, so keep an eye out for that. With the nukes, but that's what we're doing. And now at the end of the game loop is where we'll actually render the score. I'll link to 2 other videos that I've done on rendering static text and dynamic text. The score label, which is just the part of the top left that says score and a colon, that's static text. So that's static text that I've written ahead of time. I know what it's going to be, whereas the dynamic text is the score, because of course that's always changing. I need to render those textures on the fly. I can't just create one texture and use it. So how I did that was a quick recap, but if you want more details, look at the other videos. The score label is set when we create our statics. I just use the make text helper function there to create the score, the colon, and the space, and I store that in my array with the enum type right there, the score label. Now to render the changing score, so the score that continues to go up or down, we have the characters 0 through 9. I just iterate through those and create a lookup map. So the map just is keyed for a rune type, and that rune points to the texture that we create with make text. And again, more details in the other video. So let's go back to where we render these right here at the end. We just go through our current score after converting it to a string. We go through it and we make sure that every number, every texture for each number is placed one after the other, so we get our score at the top left there, and that'll continue to update. And we just clear that score whenever we die or we restart the game. If you have any questions about that, put that down below. Make sure to check out those 2 other videos about rendering text, and keep an eye out for the other update coming soon, where I want to talk about the new features that I put in there to accommodate like little power-ups that you saw, as well as the nuke weapons. That's coming soon. So thanks for watching. Cheers.